Welcome back. Question number 88. Calcium is important in skeletal muscle contraction because it option 1 activates the myosin ATPase by binding to it. Option 2 detaches the myosin head from the actin filament. Option 3 binds to trophin to remove the masking of active sites on actin of for myosin. Option 4 prevents the formation of bonds between the myosin cross bridges and the actin filament. Answer is option 3. Solution. Signal for contraction increases Ca++ level many folds in the sarcoplasm. Ca++ now binds with subunit of trophin, which is masking the active site on actin filament and displaces the subunit of trophin. Once the active site is exposed, the head of the myosin attaches and initiates contraction by sliding the actin over myosin.